Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spirulina algae at home. First, you'll need a clear container like an aquarium, along with a live spirulina culture and a specialized nutrient solution. Ensure your water is non-chlorinated and has a pH level between 8.0 and 10.0, maintaining a consistent water temperature, ideally between 30 and 38 degrees Celsius, or 86 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial for healthy growth. Once your setup is ready, provide your spirulina with 12 to 16 hours of bright, indirect light each day. Artificial grow lights work well. Continuous aeration is vital, so use a small aquarium pump to keep the water circulating and oxygenated. Remember to regularly check and adjust the pH levels, aiming to keep them between 8.0 and 10.0 for a thriving culture. After about 3 to 6 weeks, your spirulina will be a dark blue-green and ready to harvest when the pH consistently reaches 10.0. To harvest, scoop out some of the culture and filter it through a fine mesh cloth, gently squeezing out any excess water. It's a good idea to rinse the harvested spirulina with fresh water a couple of times to reduce its alkalinity and salty taste. For storage, keep fresh spirulina paste in an airtight container in the refrigerator at 1 to 5 degrees Celsius, where it will stay fresh for about 7 to 10 days. For longer preservation, you can freeze spirulina in single-serving portions, such as ice cubes, which is perfect for adding to smoothies. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.